Lingering oven odors are a common problem caused by trapped grease, burnt residue, or strong ingredients. With the right combination of cleaning techniques and deodorizing methods, you can restore your oven to a fresh, neutral smell and prevent odors from returning. Baking soda is a simple, natural deodorizer that absorbs stubborn oven smells and helps loosen baked-on residue, making your oven smell fresh again. To clean oven smell and grease, start by removing any loose particles from inside the oven. In a bowl, add some baking soda and a few drops of liquid soap, then mix well. Apply the mixture evenly inside the oven, rub it in, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then spray with water and scrub again to loosen stubborn residue. Continue until all stains are removed, and finally wipe everything down with a clean towel. This method helps eliminate grease and odors effectively. White vinegar is a simple, natural way to remove tough oven smells. It cuts through grease and neutralizes odors quickly and safely. To remove stubborn oven smells with white vinegar, fill an oven-safe bowl with equal parts white vinegar and water, then place it in the oven and heat it for about 20 to 30 minutes. The steam will help loosen grease and neutralize lingering odors. After turning off the oven and allowing it to cool slightly, wipe down the interior with a clean cloth or sponge, focusing on any greasy or smelly areas. For tougher spots, spray pure white vinegar directly onto the surface and scrub gently. Finish by wiping everything dry to leave your oven fresh and odor-free. Dawn dish soap cuts through tough grease that causes lingering oven smells, making it an easy and effective cleaning solution. Spray the solution generously over the interior surfaces of the oven, focusing on greasy or smelly areas. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down grease and buildup. Then, use a sponge or cloth to scrub the surfaces gently, repeating as needed for stubborn spots. Finally, wipe everything down with a damp cloth to remove any soap residue and dry with a clean towel, leaving your oven fresh and odor-free. Oven cleaner sprays are specially formulated to tackle tough grease, burnt-on food, and lingering odors. They make deep cleaning quick and easy, restoring your oven to a fresh, spotless condition. The spray works rapidly, allowing you to clean your oven in as little as 5 minutes, saving both time and effort. Its versatile formula is effective on both warm and cold ovens, making it convenient to use whenever you need a fast, thorough clean. Regular maintenance not only eliminates lingering smells, but also helps extend the life of your oven and ensures a healthier, more enjoyable cooking environment.